Hello beautiful people, let's get started on the module number 2 with the data analysis along with Python, and I will show you before that there's something else like that, the IBM Badges. Okay, so let's get started on that. The lab reviews is on an other hand, the labs videos for that sake of goodness is more furthermore will be provided for anybody else. So let's get started on the grading quiz. Please open it because the net opportunity is too slow network. So the first question is consider the data frame. The df is for the defined for the function data frame. What is the result of that following equation? Is the sibling and the sibling plus 1 agar karega. So if the sibling is plus 1, so every eliminate in the column sibling 1 will be increased by 1. So it's a true option for that. And consider the data frame df. What was the command? Df dot r rename into columns equals to a quotation b. Change bar the data frames def is equals to nothing or the must be parameter in place equals to true. जब तक at the end of the time the parameter must be in true format. So let's get started on the 3 question. Consider the data frame df. Data result of the following operation equals to data price. Data price a step into initial the convert or cast the volume price to an integer value. So let's get started on the 4th question. It's question number and answer is the 1, and the fifth is answer should be 5th A is the gas and diesel. So here's something else you must have to read there. The consider column of the data frame on the data fuel and data fuel. So there's the 2 types of fuels, which one is the gas and the other one is diesel. So on the other hand, what are the value of the new column from the part 5A? So 1 and 0. So the value equals to 1 and 0. So that is a 1 and that is a 0. So gas is 1 and diesel is 0. So in that case 1 and 0. So submission is complete. And here's something else like that is my certificate. I will show you before. Okay, so the data science along with Python IBM, so it's all free. I will provide you a link through the description how to sign up on that and how you get your badges. Okay, so let's see that. These are my badges which I have collected the cybersecurity as well, Python for the data science, data analysis using Python through the IBM. So it's an other platform that should be providing by the IBM cloud and on other valuations. That is the digital module of that our badges. So if we are connected on that, we can share our badges at anywhere else on our resume, CV, and any admission form on that. So let's get started on module number 3. Thank you so much.